Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a little bit of a different video. I'm going to be doing a little unboxing and a review of the Kodak Dock Plus photo printer. I like the idea of my YouTube channel, like the videos on my YouTube corresponding with pages in my actual journal. And so I've been trying to collect more physical items that I can put into both. And recently I've been printing things just like on my normal paper printer, and the quality is bad and that type of paper doesn't hold up very well. Having a way to do that in your home and having them be really high quality, I think is so great. Also, the printer itself is really cute, so I think it's gonna look so nice once it's all set up on my desk. And I also think it's really nice that you can just pop your phone on there and print right from your phone. The dock allows you to charge your phone at the same time as printing, so you can just keep your phone on there, and it's about 30 cents per photo to print. So the images are created with something called 4-pass or dye sub printing, which is such a cool process. I will show you. I'm gonna print a bunch of stuff and show you everything. But basically it prints 3 layers of color and then 1 layer of protection or like lamination. And they say that with the layer of lamination, it's supposed to last for 100 years. And they also say that they are water resistant and smudge proof. Once you're in the app, you can crop and make adjustments to your image. You can actually like change the brightness, and then you can choose to print with a border or without. I think printing with the border is cute because it looks like a Polaroid. Now I'm really excited to try it out. So I'm in the process right now of editing journal entry number 5. So I have like 4 sort of chapters in this virtual journal entry, and I want to take a still from each of them and print it so that I can paste it into my physical journal. But yeah, I'm just gonna try first to print a few photos, maybe to put up on my wall and to test it out, and then I'm gonna try to print the stills from the video and see how I can make that work. But yeah, okay, let's do it. Too hard on that one. So I might just be doing it weirdly, but it seems like the app has like a little bit of trouble finding photos. Like it can't find my favorites album. Other albums show up, just not favorites. Not really sure why. So now I'm just selecting my photos to put them into a little album. I'm gonna try first to print by docking it so I see how that works. So let me bring you in here. Okay, that's docked. Oh, gotta turn the printer on. So now this is on. It's fun. Okay, and it sees it right away. So I'm just gonna click print and see how it goes. came out so vibrant. It's like more beautiful than in the screen. This photo is not crisp, but the camera is not very crisp. So it's really like true to the photo, and I wish you could see this like physically. It has, the blue is like so clear, and this like little bit of yellow light coming through behind her hair there is so bright yellow. The camera doesn't, like this camera, you in there, this doesn't really do it justice actually. Wow, I'm really amazed. I just don't see good printed photos that often. I also really like that it has these kind of peel off the sides, so then you don't get your grubby little hands all over. I like that they're big too. I know that they also make a smaller one, but I like a big photo. Wow, I'm so excited. Let's print more. Okay, I'm gonna move on and go ahead and do the photos that I want for my video, and then maybe I'll play with some more after that. So I'm just connected now on Bluetooth, and I think it prints just the same. As soon as I had been connected, this just popped up again when I unplugged it. So it seems like once it's paired, you're fine. So this is interesting. It's saying that it has low image resolution. I checked in my camera roll where I uploaded it from, and the resolution was fine. So I'm just gonna see how this goes. I said okay. I wonder actually, will it allow me to print? Yeah, okay. So it actually did print with kind of low resolution. Like this is the photo that came out. You can see there's some like loss of quality. If you see like the photo in my camera roll where I pulled it from is, you know, you can see all my pores. I'll look into it a little bit and like put a little blurb here because I'm sure there's a reason for that. But for what I'm doing, that's actually completely fine how it is because I'm going to be taking a picture of it. But if you were like giving a photo as a gift or putting it in a photo album, the loss of quality is maybe not so great. So I'm going to try to do one that's definitely enough definition. Let's try the frame on this fun one of my friends at one of my shows. Oh, this one with the frame is really cute. All right, let's try this one. It interprets the image in interesting ways, which I also think is nice because it gives the photo a bit of uniqueness. But that is just something to note, that it is kind of changing some elements of the photo, but in a way that I think is kind of cool and interesting. This one didn't give me an error with the definition, and you can see it's a lot clearer of a picture, but the colors are so bright and beautiful. I'm gonna go put this on my fridge. Yay! Our fridge collection is ever growing. We've got me getting my second tattoo ever. We have Lila on the bus. Poutine from Montreal. Was this from Montreal as well? No, this is from the Georgia Aquarium, right? Mm-hmm. And now we have our cute pictures to go along with it. Isn't that nice? I feel like I just take pictures of everything on my phone and they don't have any kind of significance. I think the act of printing out the best of that big collection of photos and hanging it on your wall or giving it to a friend or putting it in your journal is just such a nice way to remember moments and sort of get rid of the mental clutter of having so much footage and photos stored. So some final thoughts and my first impressions from using the printer. The colors are very saturated and beautiful. I can't speak to how well the color will wear over time, but I trust the claim that they'll last for 100 years. The print is relatively true to the photo, and I would just again advise you to follow the recommendation of using photos of at least 1240 by 2448 pixels. If you're printing iPhone photos, you should be well within a good range for photo quality. Photos from my digicams also came out with good resolution, and those were 1536 by 2048. I did a quick search for pricing and printed 4x6 glossy photos at a CVS. Looks like it's around 40 cents a photo. It's a little bit less if you're doing larger numbers, and there may be cheaper alternatives near you. But 30 cents a photo is pretty good, especially considering that you'd have instant access. The convenience of having it at home is especially great for anyone who might be collaging, doing mixed media editing, or adding photos to letters and doesn't want to batch photos in advance. The printer itself is really cute and light, and I had no issues setting it up or connecting my phone to the app. Depending on what you plan to use it for, I think it's a great product. And I also think it would be a really meaningful gift for a person you know that loves cameras or keeps any kind of scrapbook or diary of their moments. I hope you enjoyed this. If you haven't subscribed, or if this is the first video you've seen of mine, I would love to have you along and we can chit chat in the premieres of my video and be internet friends. Enjoy the rest of your day or night, whatever it is, and I hope I'll talk to you and see you soon.